The Crepe Cafe Oasis by the Sea is located near Shati Al Kuram Beach, Muscat, Oman. The Crepe Cafe is a nice cafe to have some crepes, desserts, coffee and juice. I ordered crepes, salad, cookies, mojitos. The price ranges from 2 rials to 4 rials. I would say it's a decent price. The chicken farmhouse crepe was exceptionally delightful. The food items are tasty with a reasonable quantity. Each dish, specifically desserts items, are enough for 2 people. I recommend this place.